Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. I don't know about you, but I hate my siblings because they often beat me and they often manaraka me. This is the topic that we're gonna talk not about my sisters or my two brothers. We don't care about them. We're gonna talk about the type of siblings, as you can see from the thumbnail, and we're gonna focus on that. Okay, cool. So the first one is the smart one and the nice one, because most of the time the smart one can be the nice one. Because when you are smart, you should be nice, but there is no people who are smart but not nice. This smart one has the highest score at school and the highest mark. Tena azafady indrindra noho ny fahatarana kely fa nisy embouteillage koa amizao grave be. Fa miarabantsika ray aman-dreny amizao fotoana zao tonga ty fizarana bulletin mba ahafahantsika mifampiresaka sy mifampiresaka no vokatra nataony ankizy. Eny mba miantso ny ray aman-dreny njaka-drazo tao zao mba mbosy ty miaraka aminazy azafady de mitondra ny carnet sy ny karapanondro manao tompoko mamanjaka tsara be mihitsy ny résultat ny androany tena tamty an'ity tena izy ny voalohany indrindra tato am-pianarana anazy tany amin'ny saly anisa 20 tena tsara tena nezaka mihitsy zanako tamty an'ity madama ty ary de mba manao sneaker etinao azafady eny kay voray ty Aiza zao zany tokony anao sinesy mahaky mamainky kely mantsy za io fa mbola andeha hivavaka zahay eto ao ary eto misaotra betsaka ramose misaotra betsaka tena za koa raha mainka an'io zanako io fa ohatrany izy tena mianatra be mihitsy tsy mitsahatra zany io marina parivony andro endry be io iny misaotra betsaka velomy. And sometimes they are used to comparing them to us as an example, and sometimes we don't really like them because they get everything but you go to the hell, you will not get that. You know, when I say they get everything, it means that everything they can get a new phone, they can get a new copybook, they can get a new bag. I'm lying, but the only thing that they cannot get is girlfriend. Lewa sik vasy kely mihitsy loha analana zany le bulletin masosy tay ao are valire jolay be azony drakoele tsangana jolay be azony drakoele otrakoele drakoelnaka mafatifady drakoelnao mafatifady mandrafatifady drakoele Njara, fa hoana kosa ino ty ataonao ianao ve hianatra sany iny jerenke anao tany zandrinao tsaka be ny anazy nefa tsy arety ataonao jaka mba mieritrereta ihany ianao eo fa tena tsitaka ngezy ataonao efa hipierana amy tenao mianary ianao ndao manaraka na hivavaka manolo tenao an'Andriamanitra ianao tsy haiko mihitsy ina nataonao njaka tena makiny hoay njara mantsy fa madika foana fa tena foana njara mianary ianao jere bulletin tsara be fa inona indray zany atao la inona le za note ratsy be zany jerenge ny anjaky ila ohatrany le zazakely reny zay lesy tam'izay nianatra zany tena teneniko an'la fa zay tena fo maraina be zay amy telo teneniko an'la miala ohatrany zay amy 10 miakatra 416 makeny andohalo mianatra ila aloha la mivazovazo lasa artiste la mieritreritra alaza be de lasa pira de miparitaka akany andafy mieritreritra angedy la zay ary lesy navita terminal azy baka série C 10 de moyenne première session zao manjo anay mirotsaka au député de la ty jereta tola tenendra mamana to mahazo mihitsy aiza manaiky de adalako la mivavaka. And the second one is the lazy one, and also the lazy is naughty. They disobey their parents. Yeah, most of us disobey our parents, even if you are the smart one. We often disobey our parents. They disobey. The thing is that they are pretty cool because when they are at school or everywhere, they are popular. All of the people know that guy. But I'm telling you, he is not really that cool as we think. Because when the day will come, the day that he really hates and he really dislikes, because you know, lazy, naughty, that means bad mark. Mathematics 0, physics 0, chemistry 0, everything is 0. Like me. Ianao zay le mamanjaka fa miarahaba raha de tonga moa zany fangalana bulletin de tatoato zay njaka tena tsy hitako mihitsy mbola tsy tafiditra mihitsy ngamba izy na hoe mbola misy zavatra tsampy eo aminazy zany ve fa tena tsy ara mihitsy le izy ratsy be mihitsy notiny am'izao 8 de moyenne tsy haiko angamba na le hoe izy absent lava na le izy tsy tonga mihitsy mianatra laza hoe marary foana no mahatonga an'izany fa de tena miaiky mihitsy aloha zao amin'ny te physique ty izy tena sahirana be tsemboka mihitsy izy madama tena tsy hitako mihitsy zany zay atao anazy ka de tsy haiko raha andray fanapa-kevitra nareo ray aman-dreny hoe ahoana afa ezaky zay afa ezaky tena afa jerena zay azo atao raha misy tena mialatsiny fa de tena ila aloha tena tokony mila mianatra lahy tena maro zany sahirana be mihitsy lahy am'izao raha hoe zao foana nitoy taoko voaray iny voaray ty ka eza matahotra anao voaray ty voaray tsara ka ye voaray fa miarabanareo tonga soa eto amin'ny fampialam-baovao amin'ny Folo TV araky ny vaovao azony momba ny fampianarana dia tovolahy iray 20 taona no hita maty tao an-trano noho ny fony sy darika nahazo azy amin'ny alafon'ny fampianarana moa izany ary dia maty le tovolahy am'izao no darika nahazo azy ka dia miarimory amin'ny fianakaviany izay nefa tsy afa manoatra satria fiainana daholo zany rehefa mpianatra ianao ka any amin'ny 8 de moyenne